Good morning, darlings, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In the morning it's always a little bit chilly, so that's why I'm putting my Djerf Avenue sweatshirt on. Usually everyone is still sleeping at that time, that's why I am trying to be quiet and I am either on my phone or reading a book. In this case I am reading Lord of the Rings, and it's in Bulgarian because I've just missed reading books in Bulgarian recently. Once everybody's awake, I get up and get dressed. This time I am wearing my Djerf Avenue tracksuit because it's the most comfortable thing in the world. I actually hate going around the house with my hair down, that's why I am doing a half updo, and I'm using my Zara hair clip that I have bought recently. It's very comfortable and it's just easy to style. After I have done my hairstyle for the day, I always do my skincare, and this time I am putting on my moisturizer as my skin does feel very dry because of the cold outside, and the product that I'm using is the Clinique Moisture Surge. It is very hydrating and it does feel very nice on the skin. After that I just head out to the living room. I have already prepared my coffee and I just like annoying Sammy all the time actually. One of the first things that I like doing in the morning is to check my daily planner. It's for 2021 and I always put down everything that I need to do that day or the following days, and I just like ticking them off. It just keeps me motivated. After that I just chill on the sofa and I always put on Modern Family. I just like watching it, and you know, TV and cuddles are the ultimate Sunday activity. At around noon I decided that I need to go to the supermarket, so I am changing my sweatpants for a pair of jeans. I'm staying on with my sweatshirt, just tucking it into the jeans. And the outfit is not going to be complete without my Djerf Avenue blazer, which I wear all the time and everywhere. And for the purpose of this video, I will be changing my hairstyle again so I can show you effortless ways of hairstyles that you can do throughout the day. So this time I have decided I will do a low ponytail, and we shouldn't forget the earrings, of course. I am putting on my favorite Swarovski earrings. And of course I cannot go to the supermarket without my Djerf Avenue tote bag because, well, we want to be sustainable. When I get back, I immediately get undressed because I hate sitting on the couch in jeans. I need to be wearing my sweatpants, otherwise, well, it's not a Sunday if you're not wearing sweatpants, isn't it? So back to my Djerf Avenue sweatpants, but this time I would like to change my top, and I'm putting on my Massimo Dutti top, which is another one of my favorites, and I like to mix and match colors as well. And here is another very easy hairstyle for you. I am basically just twisting my hair and putting it into a low bun, and then I'm just going to use my H&M hair claw, which I love so much and I've talked about it a lot in previous videos. And that's it. And it's time for another coffee. Then it's finally time to do my workout. I do Pamela Reif's workouts, they are amazing. I am actually wearing her collaboration with Puma. Those are her leggings and top, and of course I'm putting on top my Djerf Avenue sweatshirt because it is still a bit chilly. And until I start my workout I'm just putting it over my shoulders as it is still a bit chilly. And the yoga mat that I am using is actually a kid's size. It's 1.5 meters, but it is very nice and it's 6mm thick. I got it off of Amazon, so I will link it down below. After I'm done, I'm just putting everything away. And as you can see here, it is made for kids because it has like all the poses on the back of it, and it's really fun. I really like it actually. After a quick shower, I am getting ready for a date night with, well, myself. I have my Hollister shirt underneath, and over it I am putting again my Djerf Avenue sweatshirt, and I'm combining this with my Djerf Avenue favorite pants in black because they are very comfortable for at home. And I'm finally putting my hair down. And it's time for a glass of wine and just chilling. So this was everything from me for today, guys. Remember that you need to take care of yourself first. Just find time to enjoy yourself. See you again in the next one. Bye!